আপোনালোকৰ সন্মুখত অনুষ্ঠিত হ'ব। বিমানবোৰ আপোনাৰ সোঁফালৰ পৰা অৰ্থাৎ পূব দিশৰ পৰা আহিব আৰু নিজৰ মনোমুগ্ধকৰ কলাবাজি দেখুৱাই প্ৰদৰ্শন কৰি বাওঁফালে অৰ্থাৎ পশ্চিম দিশৰ ফালে গৈ অন্তৰ্ধান হ'ব।
आज का संपूर्ण वायु प्रदर्शन इसी नदी के ऊपर आपके सामने होने जा रहा है। विमान आपके दाहिने अर्थात पूर्व दिशा से आते हुए दिखेंगे और अपनी चित्ताकर्षक कलाबाजियां दिखाने के बाद बाएं ओर यानी पश्चिम दिशा में प्रस्थान करेंगे। Today's flypast showcases the glorious journey of the Indian Air Force from the legendary Harvard of the 1940s to the cutting-edge Rafale of 2025. Each aircraft a testament to the technological evolution and operational excellence, maintained with precision by our dedicated air warriors and flown with pride by our valiant pilots.
Leading the flypast approaching now from the Umananda end, a first formation. Steady, poised and majestic, the proud workhorses of the Indian Air Force, Mi-17 helicopters in the Dwaj formation. Leading the formation is Wing Commander Shwetang Singh Dagur. Joining him are the proud air warriors from the Eastern Hills, JW Dipankar Barua and JW Molay Pritam Sekia. And the formation is proudly trooping the national flag and the Indian Air Force flag.
এই আটক ধুনীয়া যন্ত্ৰবোৰে ভাৰতীয় জাতীয় পতাকাক ওপৰলৈ কঢ়িয়াই লৈ যায়। গুৱাহাটীৰ আকাশত বীৰ আৰু সতৰ্কতাৰ প্ৰতীক।
प्रतिबद्धता की प्रेरणा, मातृभूमि का वरदान हूँ, योद्धाओं का बलिदान मैं देश का अभिमान हूँ। देश की आन बान और शान को दर्शाते तिरंगे को हवा में लहराते हुए आपकी दाहिनी ओर से ध्वज फॉर्मेशन। And now get yourself for a surprise, slicing across the Brahmaputra skies in the honor of the valor of the Assamese people. Call sign Lachit comes the answer to our enemies, the Tejas, led by Wing Commander Paritosh Bansal.
হাতচাপৰি বজাই সম্ভাষণ জনাওক ভাৰতৰ মাটিতে গঢ় লৈ উঠা ভাৰতীয় বায়ুসেনাৰ
From the right of the grandstand, behold the Mi-17 1V helicopters, call sign Holong in the classic Vic formation, led by Wing Commander Rishi Kant.
Now, emerging from the woman on the end, call sign Rhino, the Apache attack helicopters. In a razor-sharp Vic formation. At the controls, Group Captain Anand Kumar Yadav.
এতিয়া পূব দিগন্তৰ পৰা ওলাই আহিছে লাইট কম্বেট হেলিকপ্টাৰ আৰু আপাচি এটেক হেলিকপ্টাৰ।
भारतीय वायुसेना अचूक अपने लक्ष्य में, अभेद्य अपने संकल्प में और सटीक अपने हर अभियान में। And to showcase these qualities, Sarangs are now positioning for the team signature maneuver, the Dolphins Leap. So hold on to your hats because it is about to get epic. These choppers are about to defy gravity and blast off into the Guwahati skies, symbolizing the motto of the Indian Air Force, touch the sky with glory. So please look straight ahead as Sarang 1, 2 and 3 run in for the Dolphins Leap. And as promised, there goes number 4 joining up with the formation. On this occasion, I would love to take you back into history and tell you something about the origin of this team. On 31st January 2003, for the first time, 2 ALH aircraft under evaluation trials took off and performed in unison. It was on this historical day that Sarang team was conceptualized. Later, ALH evaluation flight was renamed as 151 helicopter unit in December 2003. मुझे यह बताते हुए अत्यंत गर्व हो रहा है कि हमारी टीम वर्तमान में केवल एशिया की ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे विश्व की एकमात्र 5 मिलिट्री हेलीकॉप्टर डिस्प्ले टीम है। ऑल ऑफ हाथ चापोरी जुड़ के देवो मानों को और नजदीक से देखने के लिए तैयार हो जाइए। Helicopters are turning in, getting closer and way more intense. For the vertical synchro maneuver, we call it the double arrow cross. Both pairs approaching each other will soon cross in the same vertical plane with a gap of less than 10 minutes. अद्भुत हवाई प्रदर्शन को सफलतापूर्वक अंजाम देने हेतु हमारी अनुरक्षण टीम का अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण योगदान है, जो इन 5 हेलीकॉप्टर को जमीन से हवा में उड़ान भरने से लेकर उनकी सुरक्षित वापसी तक की भारी जिम्मेदारी सुनिश्चित करते हैं। और हमारी इस टेक्निकल टीम के लीडर है विंग कमांडर। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, as the team prepares for the sky spectacle, the level mesh अपनी कठिनाइयों के स्तर को और बढ़ाते हुए एक दूसरे के आमने सामने एक समान स्तर पर 1 सेकंड से भी कम समय के भीतर दोनों ओर से आते हुए विमान एक दूसरे को मानो छू कर गुजरेंगे। बिना पलकों को झपकाए अपनी नजरें सामने बनाए रखें लेवल मेश के लिए। तो अपनी नजरें दोनों ओर बनाए रखें क्योंकि उमानंदा मंदिर की ओर से आ रहे हैं सारंग 1 और सारंग 3 और कामाख्या की ओर से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं सारंग 2 और सारंग 4 लेवल क्रॉस के लिए समक्ष स्टॉल टर्न करते हुए अपने सिग्नेचर मैन्यूवर का प्रदर्शन करेंगे। लुक स्ट्रेट अहेड फॉर हाई स्पीड क्रॉस। सुंदर विमानों की भूमिका भी बदल जाती है। भारतीय वायुसेना के उच्चतम वायु योद्धाओं की हमारी इस टीम ने समय की मांग अनुसार सभी राहत कार्यों में भी अपनी उड़ान करतबों समान ही अपनी उत्कृष्टता का परिचय दिया है। Since the team's formation, it has mesmerized the audience in Singapore, Chile, Germany, United Kingdom, Bahrain, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Russia, Dubai, and Indian Armed Forces with courage, precision, and pride. As the formation splits, the leader will pull up to present a salute to the nation, painting the skies in trail of red as a tribute to the valor and sacrifice of our warriors in Operation Sindoor. We shall listen out for the leader's call. Fearless, flawless, and definitely unforgettable. अपना लोग है बाल भाई से ने अमार पीछे पोर।
And now, approaching from the right of the grandstand, the unmistakable silhouette of the Dornier 228, leading a crisp wing formation. The captain is Wing Commander Jagjeet Singh Madhu.
ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰৰ ওপৰেৰে সোঁফালেৰে আপোনালোকে চাব পাৰে ডৰ্নিয়াৰ 228। ই হৈছে ভাৰতৰ বিশ্বাসযোগ্য চুটি দূৰত্বৰ পৰিবহণ।
Leading the formation is Wing Commander Vikas.
আমাৰ পৰিবহণৰ নতুন সংযোজন C9295 এচেলন ফৰ্মেশ্যনৰ।
From the right of the grandstand, the mighty C-130J Super Hercules and the very versatile AN-32 in the famous small boy formation. At the controls of Super Hercules is Group Captain Manish Vyas. The AN-32 on the left is being flown by Group Captain KV Prakash. On the right, Squadron Leader Pathania.
এতিয়া আপোনাৰ সোঁফালৰ পৰা চাপি আহিছে শক্তিশালী C-130 যে ছুপাৰ হাৰ্কুলিছ আৰু বহুমুখী AN-32 বিখ্যাত বিমান দুখন।
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now have Painting the Skies of Guwahati, the major success story of the Indian aerospace industry, the light combat aircraft Tejas. The aircraft is being flown by Group Captain Karthikeya Singh with the call sign DECO. So brace yourself for the first maneuver, the hesitation roll. Let's see how many of those rolls can you count. Watch as the aircraft pitches up into the lovely skies of Guwahati, performing the vertical pitch. It flies out in the sun, exuding how the skies resonate as power meets precision. Since its inception in 2016, Tejas has been the center of attraction in display arenas and the center of discussion in military op rooms. The pilot is now positioning for the signature maneuver, the red eye turn. In this, the pilot and the aircraft is subjected to negative 3.5 G and power in perfect symphony, a true demonstration of the capability of this aircraft. Look straight ahead as the pilot positions for an aerial salute to the guests. Decor will now perform the vertical Charlie. Showing off its Delta platform, grace in motion. Aircraft will come for a very tight offensive turn, like turning tight on a racetrack in the sky. It was so stunning it's hard to believe a fighter could move with such grace. Yet Tejas performs it with effortless ease. The pilot will now position for the next maneuver, the slow speed march. Watch how the aircraft effortlessly glides past you at a staggering speed of just 200 kilometers per hour. Time itself slows as the Tejas slows, calm yet commanding like a beam of light in motion. Watch as it climbs up, showing off its reserve of thrust. Pilot will now position himself for a half roll for the last maneuver of the display. Look to the right as the aircraft will carry out multiple rolls and invert to bid farewell to the lovely audience, illustrating the Indian Air Force's motto, touch the sky with glory. There it goes, rolling to the blue yonder. As it fades into the blue, we salute the brilliance, the courage and the spirit of Tejas, the light that guards our skies and inspires our nation.
আপোনালোকৰ সোঁফালৰ পৰা ওচৰ চাপি আহিছে MiG-29 যুঁজাৰু বিমান ঠেংযুক্ত চেলুৱেটৰ সৈতে এয়াৰবৰ্ন আৰ্লি ৱাৰ্ণিং এণ্ড কণ্ট্ৰল বিমানখন বজ্ৰা ফৰ্মেশ্যনত।
Approaching from the Umananda Temple, silent sentinel of our skies, the airborne early warning and control aircraft, with twin-tail silhouette of MiG-29 fighters in wing formation. Leading the formation, Group Captain V. Prabhakaran and MiG-29 Spearhead Wing Commander Bharat Kaushik.
Now approaching the colossus of the skies, the IL-78 Midas, India's aerial refueler, accompanied in an S-turn formation by sleek delta-winged arrows, the Mirage 2000 aircraft, call sign Kaziranga. At the controls of refueler, Wing Commander Umesh Kumar. Lead pilot of Mirage 2000 is squadron leader Sabin NK.
সোঁফালৰ পৰা আহিছে IL-78 Midas।
Approaching the grandstand now, symbols of youthful spirit and discipline, the Kanchenjunga formation. In tight wing formation, you will see the Hawk Advanced jet trainers at the controls today, squadron leader Shankar PR.
এই বিমানসমূহে প্ৰতিজন উদীয়মান যুঁজাৰু পাইলটৰ সপোন কঢ়িয়াই লৈ ফুৰে প্ৰশিক্ষণ বৰ্তনীৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি অপাৰেশ্যনৰ ফ্ৰণ্ট লাইনলৈকে।
Now approaching the grandstand, watch the elegant Jaguar deep strike aircraft in a flawless diamond formation. The lead pilot, Group Captain Sumit Kumar Dash.
সোঁফালৰ পৰা কাটি অহা ত্ৰুটিহীন ডায়মণ্ড ফৰ্মেশ্যনত মাৰ্জিত জাগুৱাৰ ডিপ ট্ৰাইক বিমানখন চাওক।
Approaching next, massive yet graceful, the twin-seat Sukhoi 30 MKI in the majestic wing formation. Lead pilot, Wing Commander Shobhit Mishra.
We will now have the heritage flight of the Indian Air Force, who will light up the sky and your hearts with their pleasant maneuvers. और अब विरासत की इस कड़ी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए थोड़ी ही देर में आकाश में नजर आएगा एक विंटेज योद्धा हावर्ड। The aircraft of the heritage flight are the only flying types of their kind in the subcontinent, and they're here to showcase the glorious past of the Indian Air Force. Today, as it graces the skies once more, the Howard stands not only as a proud vintage bird, a tribute to this is being flown by Wing Commander A.K. Singh and Wing Commander N.D.S. Reddy, and it depicts the journey of the Indian Air Force over the glorious years. It reminds us of our humble beginnings while inspiring the future generations to keep flying. Young cadets taking their first solo flights to the future combat leaders honing their skills. The Howard has played a vital role in building the foundation of air power in our nation. The aircraft is now positioning for a run-in from your north. Watch as it soars towards the audience, offering a formal greeting to you all and indicating that we are just getting. Do not be deceived by the beautiful looks of this aircraft. It has played an important role in the history of the Indian Air Force. Commissioned in 1947, it got decommissioned in 1989. So the aircraft that you see in front of you is over 80 years old. Once the trainer of heroes, now the storyteller of the sky. And there it goes, touching the sky with glory just as it always has. To the legends of the past, to the warriors of the present, and to the dreamers of the future, this is our salute.
Approaching now, straight ahead of the grandstand from the northern side, the airborne early warning and control aircraft with the MiG-29 Fulcrum fighters in a WIG formation. Leading the formation, Group Captain V. Prabhakaran and the MiG-29 Spearhead, Wing Commander Bharat Kaushik with Squadron Leader R. Ganwal.
আপোনাৰ সোঁফালৰ পৰা আকৌ এবাৰ ওচৰ চাপি আহিছে MiG-29 যুঁজাৰু বিমানৰ সৈতে এয়াৰবৰ্ন আৰ্লি ৱাৰ্ণিং এণ্ড কণ্ট্ৰল বিমান WIG ফৰ্মেশ্যন।
Please look straight ahead. Behold the fusion of might and precision. The IL-78 tanker with the Mirage 2000 in a tow, in a breathtaking composite refueling display. Lead tanker captain, Wing Commander Umesh Kumar, and the lead pilot for Mirage 2000s is Squadron Leader Sabine.
Coming straight up, once again, the Hawks return. This time, tightening their wing to mere wingspan gaps. A demonstration of discipline and daring. No asymmetry, no deviation, no hesitation. A tribute to the invisible thread of trust between each pilot. Lead pilot, Squadron Leader Shankar.
The Jaguars once more coming right in front of you. Diamonds in motion, executing a low sweeping pass over Lachit Ghat. Leading the formation today is Group Captain Sumit Kumar Dash.
এতিয়া জাগুৱাৰ আৰু এবাৰ গতিশীল হীৰা লাচিত ঘাটৰ ওপৰেৰে নিম্নস্থলেৰে প্ৰদৰ্শন কৰে।
Feel the tremor as the thunder passed, power blended with finesse, shadows dancing upon the Brahmaputra below.
Coming straight ahead, emerging through the haze, behold the Sukhoi 30 MKI in the iconic Trishul formation. काल में विकराल में शत्रुओं को शूल हूँ, विध्वंस की हूँ गर्जना, मैं प्रलय त्रिशूल हूँ। अहोम के आराध्य उमानंद महादेव के सम्मान में आसमान में त्रिशूल को उकेरते विंग कमांडर शोभित मिश्रा, विंग कमांडर वालिया, विंग कमांडर हेमराज।
Coming in right of the grandstand, India's most advanced Omni-Roll fighter, the tip of the spear in the Indian Air Force's arsenal. Behold the Rafale. Call sign Hathi, the majestic elephant that graces the lush greens of Assam, slicing through the sky like a bolt of silver lightning, twisting at top and diving back with the elegance of a falcon. Rolls today, Group Captain H. Vivek, representing the Falcons of the Indian Air Force. Rafael Jijaru Buman Khone, Jilikai se Luitore Par. Now coming in for a spiral turn, turning like a warrior, poised for counterattack. Balanced, lethal, unshaken, like a golden leaf swirling in the Brahmaputra breeze. Effortless harmony between man, machine, and motion. And now repositioning, the Rafale will turn at the fastest possible speed with the greatest angle in the shortest time. Now follow its glide, slow, deliberate, and effortless, dropping speeds to just 200 kilometers per hour. The power confined within poetry. Pilot engages reheat to make a figure of 8. Masterclass in control and finesse. The power, precision, perfection. The trinity of air dominance. Hokti Nikut Utkrishtatota Aitinu Mili Gaji se Akakhor Hahakota. This maneuver, the aircraft will cross your view before you hear it. Displaying supersonic capability at low level, accelerating towards you, Rafale with a Mach run. The road trails behind, resonating across the Brahmaputra valley. Mahabahu Brahmaputra Uparod, ek hundar padorkhani. Now approaching from your right, demonstrating stability in an inverted flight. Rolling upside down, maintaining control flight along the axis, inverted against the horizon. Slicing the sky like a blade of light, a masterstroke of control. Mighty Rafale, now turning the sky into a canvas of courage and control. Chitghat Jene Koi, Okhomor Gaurav or Bolidanar Suno, Rafael, Bharti Vayu Senar, Adipotya, Aru Vayu Shaktir Pratik. Now running in for the signature finale, the vertical charge is now making a high-speed run in the front towards the heaven above Guwahati. From the heart of Assam to the edge of sky, from the valley of Kamakhya to the clouds above, the Rafale has once again proven that mastery of Indian Air Force knows no
And next, a sight of sheer power and pride, the Su-30 Rafale Mirage 2000 and Tejas. These very fighters that roared in Operation Sindoor now return, armed with the same might that marked their victory, the BrahMos, Scalp and Spice weapons. A visible reminder of the precision and professionalism of the Indian Air Force. Watch as they turn before you. Today is Group Captain Saurabh Adhikari flying the Su-30 MKI. Ladies and gentlemen, the step ladder formation.
And now, keeping up with the beat and the visual treat, prepare yourself for the zipping fighter aircraft. You're about to witness a scintillating low-level aerobatic display by one of the world's most agile fighter aircraft, the Sukhoi 30 MKI. The pilot for today's display is Group Captain Ajit Pal Singh Saini, along with his co-pilot, Flight Lieutenant Nishkarsh Malviya. Apuna lokor mazor kimam zone Sukhoi pe manar gunjonare for an extremely complex maneuver called as loop tumble yaw. But before that, he shall make a pass above the grandstand while dispensing flares. So keep your eyes riveted. And now he's coming in for the loop tumble yaw, wherein he shall inscribe a circle in the sky. Let me see how many of you can spot him inverted, waving at you. There he pulls up, inscribing a circle. It's him inverted, and the nose comes tumbling down, and the yaw, while dispensing flares, bidding farewell to all the known laws of aerodynamics. And now from your right, he's positioning to carry out a series of rolls right in front of you. Do you want him to carry out the rolls on your command? More logot cock. Ek, doi, tini. There he comes in. Cock. Ek, doi, tini. Distinguished as a good fighter aircraft is not only its ability to fly supersonic, but also its capability to fly slow. And this is precisely what you're going to shortly witness. The ability to fly slow allows the aircraft to slide behind the enemy and eventually shoot him down. Now Saini is reducing his speeds to mere 200 kilometers per hour. As they say, even the winds stop. Now pilot is positioning himself to display another unique ability of this aircraft, the ability to turn in a dime. As they say, minimum radius turn, speeds approximately 500 kilometers. He's inscribing a circle of less than 400 meters on the ground. And now he shall be coming from 12 o'clock towards us for a maneuver called a slice. Ketiaba botahot saku solya dekhisine. Jodi sabu besare jururo habulikok ruaya sau botahot saku kholu. There he pulls up 30 tons of machinery and 2 men stationary in the sky. And there the tail comes sliding down. And Saini is now positioning for his final maneuver, the vertical Charlie, to offer an aerial salute to the esteemed audience on the banks of river Brahmaputra.
Namaskar Guwahati from Trisonics. Upro pora sabole apnalokok bahut bhal lagise. You guys are great audience. Thank you for your support.
And now take your attention towards the skies right of the grandstand. Behold a magnificent sight in our skies. Leading this awe-inspiring formation is the mighty C-17 Globemaster. And trailing it are symmetrical 9 radiant Suryakirans, the pride of India's aerobatic excellence. Together they embody the harmony of power and precision, heavy metal might, meeting the finesse of aerial artistry. On to the horizon towards the right of the grandstand, watch the C-17 as it glides ahead, flanked by the dazzling Suryakirans, a true reflection of teamwork, discipline and the indomitable spirit of the Indian Air Force, call sign Brahmaputra.
लहरों पर जब रण छिड़ा, गूंजा असम का नाम, तब लाछित ने दुनिया को दिया वीरता का प्रमाण। आंखों में ज्वाला और दिल में लिए मातृभूमि का मान, दुश्मन पर कर विजय, अमर हुआ उसका बलिदान। ना थमा कदम, ना झुका मस्तक, ना टूटी उसकी शान। लाचित था वो अमर योद्धा, असम का अभिमान। इन्हीं पंक्तियों की तरह आज साहस, अनुशासन और गर्व की एक झलक आपको आसमान में दिखाएंगे भारतीय वायु सेना की सूर्यकिरण एरोबैटिक टीम। और आपको ये जानकर अत्यंत गर्व महसूस होगा कि ये टीम केवल भारत की ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे एशिया की इकलौती 9 विमानों से गठित एरोबैटिक टीम है। Today, the Surya Kiran team will paint the skies of Lachit Ghat with the colors of bravery, might, teamwork, and discipline. So please keep your gaze fixed up towards the skies. The Indian Air Force is well known for its precision, might, and discipline. And today, the Surya Kiran team will demonstrate just that. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with a huge round of applause the ambassadors of the Indian Air Force, the Surya Kiran Aerobatic Team, led by Group Captain Ajay Dasrati. हर फॉर्मेशन में लीडर के दाहिनी तरफ उड़ान भर रहे हैं नंबर 2 स्क्वाड्रन लीडर दिवाकर शर्मा, नंबर 6 स्क्वाड्रन लीडर राहुल सिंह और नंबर 8 स्क्वाड्रन लीडर अंकित वशिष्ठ। दर्शकों, अब तक आपने देखा इन विमानों को सीधी उड़ान भरते हुए, लेकिन क्या आप इस विमान को उल्टी उड़ान भरते देखना चाहेंगे? तो कृपया अपनी दाहिनी ओर देखिए। उमानंदा टेम्पल के ऊपर से आते हुए है स्क्वाड्रन लीडर जसदीप सिंह। He will be flying the aircraft upside down. और अब कृपया एक और बार दाहिनी तरफ उमानंद मंदिर की दिशा में देखें। आपको विमान एक साथ आसमान की ओर बढ़ते नजर आएंगे। Coming in from your right, the aircraft will now draw the shape of the clover leaf, a symbol of hope, faith, and good luck. Sending you best wishes from the sky. Here they are coming in from your right. And now please shift your gaze right above the bridge on your left for a 360-degree view of the Hawk Mark 132. और अब टीम के विमान आपकी बाईं ओर कुमार भास्कर वर्मा ब्रिज के ठीक ऊपर से पोजीशन लेते नजर आ रहे हैं और ये जल्द ही एक साथ आसमान में रोल करेंगे। Please look right above the bridge on your left as they will be pulling up to present the barrel roll. और अब दिल थाम के बैठें क्योंकि आपकी दाहिनी ओर यानी उमानंद मंदिर की दिशा से आप देखेंगे विमान को बिजली की रफ्तार और तूफान सी गड़गड़ाहट के साथ आपकी तरफ बढ़ते हुए। Displaying lightning fast reflexes, the aircraft will then push up towards the sky to showcase the vertical Charlie, very soon coming in from your right. और अब आपके ठीक सामने यानी अश्वकलांत मंदिर के ऊपर से विमान आपकी ओर बढ़ते नजर आएंगे और आसमान की ओर बढ़ते हुए दर्शाएंगे भारतीय वायुसेना के आदर्श वाक्य को, जो है नभः स्पृशम दीप्तम। फिर लीडर के आदेश पर ये अलग अलग दिशाओं में फैल जाएंगे मानो सूर्य की किरणों की तरह। Presenting the team's signature maneuver right above the Lachit Ghat, the Vixen Break. Well, don't go anywhere just yet because we are just getting started. The team will now present before you their synchro maneuvers in which we will take up the thrill by few notches. टीम का पहला सिंक्रो मैनूवर आरंभ हो चुका है ब्रिज के ठीक ऊपर से। आप देख सकते हैं 3 विमान आसमान में कुछ इस प्रकार रोल कर रहे हैं मानो ब्रह्मपुत्र नदी के अद्भुत बहाव को दर्शा रहे। Well, that was number 5 who just went crossing the formation. Well, once again, please look towards your right. Coming in from above the Umananda temple, you will see 3 aircraft approaching you together. But look closely because as they get closer, the aircraft flying in the center will be seen flying upside down. But don't worry, he has complete faith in his wingmen to guide him in the sky, even when flying inverted. Here they are from your right. और अब कृपया अपनी नजरें ले जाएं बाईं तरफ ब्रिज के ठीक ऊपर। वहां से आते नजर आएंगे आपको नंबर 1, 2 और 3 जो सीधी उड़ान भरेंगे और नंबर 4 और 7 उनके इर्द गिर्द उड़ान भरते हुए बनाएंगे आसमान में एक DNA की आकृति। And in our DNA, we store the core values of the Indian Air Force: mission, integrity, excellence. Coming in from above the bridge is presenting the DNA maneuver. Well, coming up next from above the Ashwaklant temple in front, you will see 3 aircraft flying in towards you in perfect alignment, one behind the other, in a display of precision, discipline, and unwavering determination. Do look closely because they will soon disperse in the sky, showcasing the three mighty arms of the Indian Armed Forces, which are the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force, which operate in different domains but are united in their mission of defending our great nation. Coming up from straight in front of you is the Trishul maneuver. और अब कृपया अपनी दाहिनी ओर देखें. उमानंद मंदिर की दिशा से आते आप देखेंगे 5 विमान, मगर इन्हें ध्यान से देखते रहें क्योंकि जैसे ही मैं 3, 2, 1 की गिनती करूंगी ये पांचों विमान एक साथ आसमान में रोल करेंगे. सो लेट्स लुक टुवर्ड. और रोल के तुरंत बाद ये आसमान की ओर तेजी से बढ़ रहे हैं और जैसे ही ये नीचे आएंगे ये अपनी दिशा 90 डिग्री से मोड़ के विभिन्न दिशाओं में फैल जाएंगे. आपको अनुशासन और सटीकता की एक मिसाल देते हुए ये अगला प्रदर्शन है सूर्य किरण. लाचित की भव्य प्रतिमा के ठीक ऊपर देखें. आसमान में बन रहा ये दिल समर्पित है गुवाहाटी के लोगों को. आप सभी को 93वें भारतीय वायुसेना दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देते हुए. एंड हियर कम्स आवर क्यूपिड स्क्वाड्रन लीडर राहुल सिंह ड्रॉइंग एन एरो थ्रू द हार्ट. एंड कृपया अपनी नजरें ठीक अपने सामने ले जाएं. उत्तर गुवाहाटी की दिशा से आते हुए टीम के विमान एक साथ आपकी ओर बढ़ रहे हैं और कुछ ही क्षणों में लीडर के आदेश पर अलग अलग दिशाओं में फैल जाएंगे. और उससे पहले चलिए सुनते हैं लीडर का संदेश आप सबके लिए.
Everybody, blue skies and happy landing. Jai Hind!
और ये था सूर्य किरण टीम का एरियल सल्यूट हमारे मुख्य अतिथि और हमारी ऑडियंस के लिए. आशा है कि ये शो देखकर आपको भी उतना ही आनंद आया होगा जितना हमें इसे आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करके आया है. On behalf of the Surya Kiran aerobatic team, this is Flight Lieutenant Kamal Sandhu wishing you blue skies and happy landing.
Extraordinary fly past of our air power. Be ready to witness our air warrior drill team named Arjun. A spectacle of rhythm, precision and pride. The first of its kind in India. Comprising 28 young and vibrant air warriors, each one of them has been carefully chosen to represent the very essence of Air Force discipline.
Formed in 2016, this team has carried the glory of the Indian Air Force beyond borders, performing in Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Bhutan and Mauritius, and winning the admiration wherever they have marched.
Their weapon, 5.5 kg .303 rifle with bare bayonet, demanding not just strength but an unbreakable harmony between mind, body and spirit. Every synchronized spin, every precise movement is a result of tireless practice and absolute dedication.
Today, the Team Arjun stands tall as a living embodiment of courage, commitment and coordination. Their motto is not just a phrase, but the heartbeat of every air warrior in the team. Drill to thrill.
और कार्यकारी को शुरू करने की आज्ञा में horizontal, vertically, alternate, north.